Good morning, namaskar, everyone. Till 21 students join the class. Students, please join the class in time, beta. Everyone. We will start chapter understanding chapter number 11, Earth, Sun and Moon. Please open your textbook, everyone. Page number 139. I am taking your presentation. Fox, Tata Sonia, Hans, Anil Kumar, Ayush Dua, Bharvi Gami, Daksh Rajpura, Dev Padalia, Dharma Dharasra, Nil Modi, Yami Kami, Yami Patel, Asil, Activity, Yendin Punya, Chia Adeshna, Kavit Hima. After that, Mihir Popat, Nitya Tila, Parth Pundarya, Rudra Aghara, Shanvi Aghara, Shlok Adruja, Shreya Vasaria, Yashvi Sheta, Yakri Vilpura, and there is not written the name, there is only box. I would like to unmute him. What's your name, beta? Please tell your name. In that ID, there is nothing, no name. Only there is box. Please tell your name. I already unmute you. And Rasti Panara is present. Okay, students. Shall we start now? Join your hands. Close your eyes, everyone. 3 times Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhuvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। Chapter number 11, Earth, Sun and Moon. Page number 139. The first point is given, name the planet on which we live. Color it blue. I would like to unmute any one of you, and he or she has to give answer. Yesterday I have given homework to read the chapter. I would like to unmute Nitya Tilva, please. On your video, Nitya. Nitya, please on your video. Hello. Nitya, I already unmute you. Hello. Nitya Tilva. Is there Nitya Tilva? Yes. Okay. No. I unmute any one of you. Vanara Hasti. Yes. Hasti.
Yes, sir.
What's your answer? Name the planet on which we live. Color it blue. Earth is the correct answer. Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Good answer. Earth is the correct answer. Please write Earth in your textbook. First one में every one of you please write with pencil.
That activity.
What better?
I have done that activity.
Very good. Fine. Fine. Let us move for another children. Please off your video now. Hasti. Now second one. Name the largest planet. Color it brown. Largest planet कौन सा है सोलर सिस्टम में एंड उसका कलर है ब्राउन. Anyone? I unmute any one of you randomly. Janil Bopalia. Please on your video. Janil, I unmute you already.
Yes.
Please on your video, Janil. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
You are? Now, I am fine,
you,
beta. Thank you. I am fine. Name the largest planet. Color it brown.
Jupiter.
What is the name? Jupiter is the correct answer. Very good, Janil. Fine answer.
Sir, there are the slide white dwarf planet.
What you say? I not understand. Again you speak.
Sir, there are white dwarf planet.
Yes, very good. But second, your answer is very correct. Jupiter is the right answer. Please write in your textbook.
In short,
Everyone.
there are the white dwarf. Sir, draft
Now,
planet
third.
planet છે 5.
Yes, yes. Now, let us move for the next question. There is given one activity in the first page. Let us move for another question. Did you write, everyone? Second answer, Jupiter. Okay. Now, we move for the next question. Third one. Name the planet farthest from the sun. Color it gray. I would like to unmute any one of you. Ayushi Gureja. I unmute you, beta. Please on your video. Ayushi. Ayushi Gureja. Please on your video.
Sir,
Please on your video, beta. How are you, Ayushi?
सर प्लीज थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना, मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Please see, all children listen very well. नेटवर्क नहीं मिल रहा है क्या?
सर मैं
Hello?
अरे ना लैपटॉप के ज्वाइन करती हूँ, फिर आप बोलो ना.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. मैं दूसरे चिल्ड्रन को बोलता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. If you have any network problem, then okay. Please off your video. Now, third one answer. Name the planet farthest from the sun. Color it gray. The answer is Neptune. Neptune is the correct answer. I get. Please, you all give your answer in the chat. There is some screen jam. Every one of you. Next, fourth one. Name the planet closest to the sun. Color it yellow. Anyone? I wait for the answer. The answer, fourth का आंसर आएगा येलो कलर का है. तो येलो कलर का प्लैनेट वीनस. वीनस. फोर्थ में आंसर आएगा वीनस. Venus is the correct answer. Then fifth one. Name the planet with rings. Color it orange. उसका कलर ऑरेंज है. ऑरेंज कलर है. तो रिंग्स है, सैटर्न में भी रिंग होती है, लेकिन ऑरेंज कलर का प्लैनेट और रिंग है जुपिटर. जुपिटर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. लास्ट में फिफ्थ वन में जुपिटर आएगा, राइट. एंड कलर उसका ऑरेंज है. जुपिटर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. लेट अस मूव नाउ. I would like to unmute any one of you, and you have to read the chapter, one paragraph.
Sir, am I?
Must be Sheta. Yashvi beta, unmute you. I already unmute you, and please on your video.
Sir, I have doubt. Can I ask?
हाँ बोलिए बेटा, on your video.
सर इसमें एक सेकंड सर, आपने जो भी एक्टिविटी करवाए हैं उसमें नेम द प्लैनेट विद रिंग्स, उसमें सैटर्न नहीं आता है?
नो, सैटर्न उसमें
But
3
sir,
प्लानेट में है, बट ऑरेंज कलर का लिखा है. कलर उसका ठीक कैसा है? ऑरेंज.
ऐसा है कि नीचे जो प्लैनेट्स है ना उसमें कलर करना है, ऐसा लिखा है उसमें.
कलर इज ऑरेंज. नेम द प्लानेट विथ रिंग्स, एंड उसका कलर आपको ऑरेंज कलर करना है.
हाँ यस सर, ऐसे.
तो रिंग्स है एक्चुअली जुपिटर में भी होता है, सैटर्न में भी होता है, राइट?
अच्छा अच्छा.
रिंग. हाँ,
थैंक यू सर.
ओके, वेलकम बेटा. सैटर्न में ज्यादा रिंग है, इसलिए उसको रिंग प्लैनेट भी बोलते हैं. सैटर्न की यू कैन राइट. तो पहले को आपको कलर ब्लू करना है, देन ब्राउन, आफ्टर दैट ग्रे, देन येलो, and then orange. That you have to do in homework. Let us move to the next. Solar system. I would like to unmute any one of you. Jia Ardeshna. Please
Yes
read.
sir. The
Please read.
solar system. The sun and the celestial bodies
Celestial.
celestial body that revolves around it forms the solar system. सर पूरा पैराग्राफ रीड करना है, एक ही लाइन.
पूरा पैराग्राफ.
Apart from the planets, there are also
Comets, asteroids, satellites
of various planets and rough planets in the solar system. A satellite is a
celestial body
and operates a planet. All
that
planets
orbits a planet.
around the
Yes.
sun in fixed paths called operates.
Operates नहीं है बेटा, orbits है. Orbits. Okay, fine. But please do the reading practice. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Good. Now, the sun and the celestial body that revolve around and form solar system. Celestial मतलब जो sky में है, celestial bodies जो satellites, asteroids, comets, right? That is called celestial bodies, stars. Please off your video, Jia.
सर आप मेरी बारी लेते नहीं हो, आज ही ली मेरी बारी.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, आगे नहीं बारी लेकिन है बेटा. हाँ. Apart from the planets, there are also comets, asteroids. Planet के अलावा comets, asteroids, satellites भी solar system में है, and dwarf planet in the solar system. Satellite means what? Satellite is a celestial body that orbits a planet. Planet की आजू बाजू जो around घूमता है, that is called satellite. All planets revolve around the sun. you know that all planets वो सन के आजू बाजू रिवॉल्व करते हैं इन फिक्स्ड पाथ, उसका रास्ता फिक्स्ड है, that is called orbits. Now I would like to unmute any one of you. Let me unmute randomly Kavya Dhua. Yes, Kavya.
Yes,
On your
sir.
video. On your
Okay,
video,
sir.
beta.
One minute. Sir, my video is visible?
Yes, yes, beta. Yes, okay.
Sir,
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I am fine, beta. Thank you. Please
सर
read
मेरे
down.
को सोलर सिस्टम रीड करनी है ना.
हाँ, second paragraph.
Okay, sir. In order of increasing distance from the sun, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus and Neptune. Pluto, which was earlier considered a planet, was placed in separate categories called rough planet by the International Astronomical Union (IAU) in August 2006. Given below in diagram of the solar system, in reality the planets
In
are
reality.
in reality,
In reality.
here the planets are much more distant from each other. This diagram simply gives us a raw idea of how where
Not
each
raw idea,
planet
beta. Rough idea.
rough idea
Rough
and
idea.
how rough idea of how and where each planet is placed.
Very good. Okay, fine.
सर
In
आपकी
order.
वॉइस कभी कभी कट हो जाती है.
कट हो जाती है. Now.
हाँ स्पीड तब तो कोई बार
अभी आ
आती
रही है.
है. हाँ अभी आ रही है.
बेटा?
अभी नहीं होता है.
हाँ, अभी आ.
अभी तो आ रहा है. कोई बार कट जाती है.
Now you all are hearing me very well. Please confirm on chat. Yes, okay. Thank you, children. Let us move now. इंक्रीजिंग डिस्टेंस के हिसाब से इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सन से जो डिस्टेंस है तो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हम अगर रखेंगे तो 8 प्लैनेट्स है. मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. एंड द प्लूटो, इसको पहले प्लैनेट में कंसीडर किया था, बट नाउ इट पुट्स ऑन separate category, that is called dwarf planets. And किसने घोषित किया? इंटरनेशनल एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनियन. और कब घोषित किया? इन अगस्त 2006, right? And there is one diagram given of solar system. Really ये planets एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर है, much more distance from each other. And this diagram simply हमको rough idea देता है कि increasing order में first which planet is there in increasing order, right? And then which. So first there is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And the last one is Pluto, that is the dwarf planet. Now I would like to unmute to any one of you randomly. Mihir Popper. Okay, on your video, Mihir Popper, please, on your video. I already unmute you.
Yes, sir. Let's learn more about our planet Earth. The Earth is different from all of other planets in the solar system. It has water, air, and soil. There is a blanket of air around the Earth called the atmosphere, which protects it from the harmful
ultraviolet ultraviolet
rays of the sun.
Okay, stop now. Okay, Mihir, fine, good. Now let us see about the Earth, our planet. Earth is different from all other planets. सब प्लान से अलग है in the solar system because it has air, water, and soil, and there is a blanket of air around the Earth, which we call the atmosphere, right? And that protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Atmosphere protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now let us move for another paragraph. I would like to unmute Arnav Ranpura. Please, I already unmute you. Please on your video. Arnav Ranpura. Not hear your voice clearly, Arnav. Arnav is there? Arnav Ranpura. So, are you seeing your textbook? Where we reach, Arnav? Arav?
Yes.
Where we reach? Where we reach, beta? You should know about what I don't understand what you said. You have to attention in your book, every one of you. कभी भी randomly आपका turn आ सकता है. So please, where we reach, you should know about that. I unmute now another children. Sanvi Agara. Sanvi, please on your video. Sanvi Agara.
Yes, sir.
Please on your video and read the next paragraph.
Sir, which paragraph?
Do you have textbook? I hope that you have opened it already.
Yes, sir.
Then you should know about that where we reach.
Sir, which paragraph?
You should know about that. कौन से पैराग्राफ में हम पहुंचे? आप सबने टेक्स्ट बुक तो ओपन कर ली होगी. हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया चैप्टर. बहुत देर हो गई बेटा.
सर, आप हमें पैराग्राफ मुझे नहीं पता है, प्लीज कहिए ना.
पेज नंबर 140 लास्ट पैराग्राफ अर्थ का. द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ.
Surface of the Earth has various features such as ocean,
फ्यूचर
river,
नहीं है, फीचर से बेटा.
features
प्लीज.
such as oceans, rivers, mountains, and valleys. But do you know what the inside of the Earth looks like? Internal.
Okay, 1 minute. Stop now. Okay, बेटा सानवी, प्लीज अटेंशन इन योर बुक. कभी भी रेंडमली आपका टर्न आ सकता है. ओके सानवी, do you understand? You should attentive in your book. Okay beta? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Please off your video.
सर मैं आगे रीड करूं?
No, beta, I will give another. We have to give chance to other students also, no, beta. The surface of the earth का surface, the features, various features is there, such as oceans, earth के surface पर oceans है, rivers, mountains, valleys, ये सब आया हुआ, right? But what inside the earth that we now know. I would like to unmute another children randomly. Shlok Adroja. Yes, Shlok, I already unmute you. Please on your video. Shlok Adroja.
Okay. My video is visible?
Really now visible.
According to scientists, the Earth is not a uniform solid spherical. It consists of different layers. These layers are called the crust, mantle, and core. The core is further divided into the core is further divided into the outer and inner core.
An inner core, yes. Fine.
Sir, आगे read करूं?
No, one paragraph is enough, and we have to give chance to the other boys, other students also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Internal structure of the earth. Earth का internal structure क्या है? Inside क्या है? And according to scientists, the earth is not a uniform solid sphere. Uniform सब जगह एक जैसा solid sphere नहीं है. And it have different layers. And the name of the layers, crust, mantle, and core. And the inner layer जो सबका inner सबसे अंदर का layer है वो core है. And it further divided into two parts, outer and inner. Outer core and inner core. Now let me unmute another children, any one of you, and he or she has to read. Now I would like to unmute Yatri Vilpara. I already unmute you.
Yes,
please
sir.
on your video and read table 11.1. Yes.
सर मेरा जो वीडियो ऑन करने का सिंबल है ना वो ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, और रीड करो.
सर टेबल ना first crust in is the outermost layer of the earth. Contains continents and ocean lines on this layer. Its thickness varies from 5 km under the ocean floor to 70 km under the continents. It is made up of rock. It contains everything that is essential for life.
Okay, stop now. Crust. It is the outermost layer of the earth. Earth का सबसे जो ऊपर का layer है, that is called crust. Outermost. Continents and oceans इसके अंदर आए हुए हैं. We know that continents and oceans, right, in this layer. इस thickness, इसकी thickness कितनी है? जब हम उसको deep करते हैं, F4, तो उसकी थिकनेस क्रस्ट की है 5 किलोमीटर अंडर द ओशियन फ्लोर। ओशियन फ्लोर जो है उससे हम ठीक करेंगे, लीक करते जाएंगे तो 5 किलोमीटर नीचे जाएंगे तब तक ये लेयर है। एंड 70 किलोमीटर अंडर द कॉन्टिनेंट्स, देन इट इज मेड ऑफ रॉक्स, रॉक का बना हुआ। इट कंटेन्स एवरीथिंग दैट इज एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ। लाइफ के लिए जो भी चाहिए, जरूरी चीज चाहिए, एसेंशियल मतलब जरूरी चीज चाहिए, वो ये लेयर में है। Okay, now I would like to unmute another children, any one of you. Now mental हम ठीक करेंगे। कौन बोल रहे हैं बेटा?
सानवी।
हाँ सानवी, रीड करो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं। बट we have to give chance to another students also बेटा।
Okay.
Okay, then I unmute another children now. Dhyani Gami. Dhyani Gami, I already unmute you. Please on your video.
Hi sir.
Hi, how are you, Dhyani? Fine?
Fine. How are you?
I am fine, beta. Now read the column mental.
Okay sir. Mental. It is the middle layer or layer below the crust. It is about 2,900 kilometers thick. Its upper part is made up of solid rocks, whereas the lower part consists of molten rock. It is from here that molten magma comes out when a volcano erupts. It contains a lot of iron and magnesium.
Magnesium. Very good. Good. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Now, mental. It is the middle layer of below the core crust. Crust के नीचे ये लेयर आया हुआ है और middle layer mental. It is about 2,900 kilometer thick. इतना थिक है, बहुत थिक है, 2,900 किलोमीटर तक थिक है। Its upper part is made up of solid rocks. इसका ऊपर का जो पार्ट, ये लेयर का solid rock का बना है। Whereas the lower part, इसका नीचे का पार्ट है, consists of molten rocks. Molten, you know that. मोल्टन मतलब पता है सब, मोल्टन रॉक्स, तो पिघले हुए मोल्टन रॉक्स। देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इट इज फ्रॉम हियर दैट मोल्टन मैग्मा कम्स आउट। उसमें से मैग्मा बाहर आता है, यहाँ से मोल्टन मैग्मा। व्हेन ए वोल्केनो इरुप्ट्स, जब वोल्केनो इरुप्ट होता है, देन मोल्टन मैग्मा यहाँ ये लेयर से बाहर, and it contains a lot of iron and magnesium. This is metal. Iron and magnesium are metal. ये मेटल बहुत सारी ये लेयर में, मेटल लेयर। कौन सा मेटल? आयन्स एंड मैग्नीशियम। Okay, children. Now to move for the next one, I would like to unmute randomly any one of you. Dhruvil. Okay, Dhruvil. Please read. Please on your video and read the column core. Is there Dhruvil or not? Still not heard any sound. Blue. Okay. Then we unmute. Let us move for the another children.
I'm coming, sir.
Beta, we have to give chance to all other children, no? That's why. Please I unmute you. Please on your video.
Yes, sir. Core. It is the innermost layer forming the center of Earth. The outer core is about 2,300 kilometers thick. The inner core is about 1,200 kilometers thick. The outer core contains iron and nickel in a molten state. Some sulfur is
sulfur
also present.
It is red sulfur. इसको sulfur read करते हैं.
Sulfur. The inner core is solid ball, almost entirely made up of iron.
Okay, fine. Core. It is the innermost layer. सबसे नीचे का अंदर का layer. And the center of the earth is formed, right? The outer core is about 2,300 kilometer thick. उसका जो दो उसका पार्ट कर दिया है साइंटिस्ट लोग ने. आउटर कोर जो है आप डायग्राम में देख सकते हो, उसका थिकनेस है 2,300 किलोमीटर एंड द थिकनेस ऑफ द इनर कोर इज 1,200 किलोमीटर. अंदर का जो कोर है इनर कोर, उसका थिकनेस है 1,200 and the outer core contains iron and nickel. ये भी मेटल है, iron and nickel in a molten state, right? Liquid state में outer core. कौन सी metal? Iron and nickel. Some sulfur is also present. Sulfur भी इसके अंदर आया हुआ है. The next point, the inner core is a solid ball. अंदर का जो बॉल है इनर कोर, solid ball, like a solid ball, almost entirely made up of iron. और पूरा आयन का बना हुआ है, पूरा आयन का है. So I hope the children you all understand very well. Please confirm on chat. Then we move. Please confirm on chat, everyone. Every one of you. Then we move for the next paragraph. Shreya Vasjadia. I see. I unmute you. Shreya Vasjadia. Unmute. Unmute, Shreya. I unmute you. I will find you and I will find you and unmute you. Unmute. Shreya, on your video, I already unmuted you.
Sir.
Please, on your video.
Sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर आपने जो अभी एक्टिविटी करवाई थी सबसे पहले पेज नंबर 139 पे, उसमें है ना आपने सेकंड वन में भी जुपिटर आता है और फिफ्थ वन में भी आपने जुपिटर बोला था सर हमें.
लेकिन जुपिटर भी लिख सकते हो, देखो रिंग तो दोनों को होती है. नेम द प्लैनेट्स रिंग्स 2-3 प्लैनेट में है, जुपिटर में भी है, सैटर्न में भी है, तो यू कैन राइट सैटर्न आल्सो. नो एनी. ओके बेटा.
Okay.
Now there is one number I see, but not write the name in the ID. Who is that? I would like to unmute him or her. Please
Sir,
tell your name.
नव्या सर, हमने
What?
ना बहुत कोशिश आईडी में. सर मेरा नाम नव्या है. मैंने ना मेरे भाई ने बहुत कोशिश की. आईडी में नाम तो है पर इधर नाम नहीं दिख रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं. आ गया? Okay. Fine.
Okay.
No problem. But you should try. You should try to write your name only. Okay.
Okay sir.
So let us move. We move now for the. Let's remember that we have to do in homework. Everyone. Let's remember you have to do in homework. And उसके बाद का हम पेज नंबर 142 कल से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Till then, bye. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day to
Bye, sir.
every one of you.
Bye sir.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.